It's awesome to have you, as I said, and I guess the first thing is you have a really unique concept for your show where you actually bring singers and bands and musical artists onto the show. You have them perform, and then you cook a sort of thematic dish with them. And I've never heard of something like that before. So how did you come up with this idea? Where did it spring up?
Well, I am a musician myself. I was classically trained in piano growing up, and I started playing music in university while finishing up my environmental science degree. And during my education, I got really passionate about farmers' rights, eating locally, and I thought the perfect way to bring that knowledge to the general public is to have something fun and entertaining. We don't always need to hit people over the heads with an environmental message. So that's why I decided, hey, take two of my biggest passions, music and food, put it together in a short 12-minute episode, cook something local, and hope people get inspired or just have a laugh.
Can you recommend maybe for our viewers some interesting markets or places to go to get an inside look at local food in our region?
Well, definitely. The first farmers market day is May 5th. So I definitely recommend people check that out. It's at Brewer Park across the street from Carleton University on Bronson Avenue. And that is just the mecca in Ottawa for local food. You have all sorts of interesting meat providers. There's elk, there's
That's the mecca?
yak.
I drive by it every morning. I never...
On Sundays, I should say.
Oh,
And the
okay.
first day is
Sundays.
on my birthday.
Yeah.
Happy birthday!
It
Oh,
all
May
works out. Yeah.
And not only that, but throughout the winter, unfortunately, there aren't as many markets, or there aren't really any right now. You can go to health food stores and they try their best to provide local food. I know there's Nicasters in the Glebe, they always have whatever they can get locally. There's retailers like the Red Apron where I work actually, and we try to source locally, organically as much as possible. So if you're not getting the ingredients per se, you know that there are places out there where you can actually get local meat.
So I'm interested, how does Serbian food inspire you? I know that you don't always feature it on the show. You feature all kinds of foods, of course, but how does Serbian cuisine specifically inspire your cooking?
Over in Serbia, and I think that's come in with our families too, is eating local isn't necessarily a thing we do as a message. It's just how it is.
Yeah,
exactly.
it's the way of life.
Because it has to be sometimes, or because it just has always been.
Absolutely, and then you make do with what you have, so you don't go to the store and get, you know, dragon
not
fruit
in
or
season.
something, exactly,
Yeah.
or not in season, but you're making food with what's available on the farm, and you're having to be more creative with it, especially with, you know, only the two spices like vegeta and paprika. So yeah, that's true. I'd never thought about it that way, but that's definitely true. Thank you so much for sitting down with us for this little portion, and we're so excited. I mean, I'm so excited to just get to cooking right now.
Woohoo!
Yeah.
So let's
do
do
this.
it.
Let's do it.
All right.